Want to go to the punk rock show?
Yeah, let's go to the punk rock show.
Like a riddle, impossible lame. Faking beauty to stay in the game. Bad writing, cover the walls. Guess I'm lucky if I left so far.
What the chicken shit is this?
What kind of chicken shit is this? I love it.
Oh, it's a terrible picture.
Double trouble, heading my way. I need to step up if I'm gonna stay. I've been living here too long. It's time to move on to keep me strong. Let denim cover my skin. Every part of me is fighting to win. Sin City waiting for me. Around the corner, I'm aching to be. Double trouble.
You guys are here? Awesome. How you doing? Anthony, how you doing?
Doing all right. We saw you walking by. I go, shit, Jeff.
Yeah, nice. Everybody say hi to Living Fuel Wine. Tino Kid, Seeking Vegas Sunrise. What's up, guys? So where you guys just get in? Everybody get.
Punk rock bowling.
Oh,
It's his birthday.
happy birthday!
40.
So how has it been over there?
We were just there for a little bit.
Yeah, we haven't gone to the show yet.
Oh, okay.
We were just looking for Coach and Melissa and Enrique. They're
Oh
over
yeah, I
there.
ran into them earlier.
Okay, yeah, they're over there.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I'm gonna head that way and check out Kino Kid channel and check out Seeking Vegas Sunrise. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Oh my God, it's Enrique and Melissa.
Definitely thong? Oh, yeah. I walked right on by. It's everybody. It's everybody. How we doing? Woo! Good to see you. How you doing? Look at this. Hold on, yeah. Everybody's in Vegas. And that guy, Waldo's here. Oh, obviously. I just want to know I got the Mardi Gras beads. Very cool. This is how a YouTuber YouTubes right here. That's what they do. Have fun. I'm gonna head that way. Maybe later. Yeah. New world record. That was good. I wouldn't recommend eating it after this. Yeah.
We'll get some.
All right, photo. Said our photo taken. That's $20. For my photo, it's $20. No, hold on. $20. I am Liberace. I knew it. I didn't want to tell that guy. Good to see you. Great to see you. He's busy. Oh, sorry, he's busy. You can say goodbye. see ya. Peace.
We gotta switch gimbals. Gimbals. For like 15 minutes, you take it that way, I take yours.
Yeah.
Alright?
Oh,
We
yeah.
gotta do that.
Let's do that.
Let's switch a room.
I like it.
Just for 15 minutes.
When's the next time you guys are here?
In 2 weeks.
All right. Get me up. Okay, we're going to greet you right now. Here's the deal. In 2 weeks, which is when? That's like some part of the Okay.
For June 9th.
For 2 nights. So sometime next week, you'll switch your room.
2 weeks. In 2 weeks.
2 weeks. You take my gimbal.
Yeah.
I take your gimbal.
15 minutes.
15 minutes. And all hell breaks loose.
Yeah.
I mean, no. Just good content.
Yeah.
Good quality content.
Positive content. No nonsense.
I like it.
So, another one away. We're gonna switch gimbals, live streams.
I like it.
He takes ours, I take his. 15 minutes. See what happens. You heard it here. Breaking news.
Breaking news along the bottom here. I like it. I like it. Pinky swear?
There he
Pinky
goes.
swear.
One of God's own
I
prototypes.
got it. 2 weeks.
A high-powered mutant
Peace
of some
out.
kind never even considered for mass production. Too weird to live, and too rare to die.
Come here. Yeah. I wonder what the odds were here in Vegas for them to come back. Bottoms up, bottoms up. Kino Kid, about to go bottoms up. It's Seeking Vegas.
I need more beer.
So Anthony from Seeking Vegas Sunrise is his birthday. Everybody wish Anthony a happy birthday.
just can't handle Vegas. The show hasn't even started.
Lord, I had way too much to drink.
It's like all up in a trash can.
Because I feel like I want to throw up, but it doesn't want to come out. Fucking the Lord.
Tell us what you learned today, Candy.
Tell us what you learned.
What did you learn today?
I learned.
What did you learn about Sublime?
I learned that.
When you grab a hold of me, a 40 ounce to freedom is the only chance I have to feel good.
Anthony will do some crafty editing on this one.
Just a crowd, the best is only taking the door. Don't they know the crowd on their board? They got me right on the guts. Get the guts, need it more than us. Hey, buddy. When it goes my body shit, take me back there. Me not take. I got a long cord, buddy. Let's go take the horse. Start the blast. Yeah! What's up, Las Vegas? How you guys doing? How you guys must be tired? I can see.
Oh my God. It's not good.
Alright, well, whatever. Here we are.
Oh my gosh, you played it.
4,000.
Lord.
We're here.
We're here.
We're here. We're
We've
dying.
been here more days or more openers at that show we just went to. Which number is larger?
It's 217.
Each band played their entire catalog.
That's what I'm saying. I asked you, did he play
It's
all of
funny because like that's that's a good punk situation right there. You
It
play
was-
your whole fucking collection in 20 minutes.
We saw a banana.
Good.
It was great. There was a banana,
And
he kept getting in the pit, and I was worried people were gonna slip on him.
And they did.
And they did, and then the banana fell.
The guy in the Bobby Hill shirt cracked his head out.
He did, but you know what? He never lost his shades.
Yeah.
He
I
didn't.
was really impressed
That's
by that.
right.
Then he never returned.
Okay, so
Our
it's
feet hurt.
We're tired.
We're tired. Sleeping. Everything's on thin ice.
This is already way too long.
Yeah, this is already longer than ours.
I don't think.
I'm sorry.
I don't think Sunday's gonna exist.
It's already Sunday.
It's not Sunday. It is Sunday.
Okay, the rest of the day is not gonna exist.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna wrap this up.
We're gonna
We're gonna have
wheelchair
to-
to the room.
Well, we gotta go.
Well, look at the
Bye.
time.
Look at the time.
Goodbye.
See you at sunrise. Bye bye.
This one's called Punk's Not Dead.